mga katrip? Hope you have an amazing day. It's me again, Potskie guys. Tonight vlog mga katrip. Actually, we are here in Corn Dog. Here in Madinat Khalifa area mga katrip. Ayan, wait lang. Ayan. Ayan mga katrip, ito po yung logo nila sa taas. And tonight, we will try their corn dog mga katrip. And take note mga katrip, first time po natin titikman tong corn dog. Ayan. And nakikurious din ako kung ano ba talaga ang lasa ng corn dog. Actually nag-search din ako sa YouTube, ayan, kung paano ginagawa yung corn dog. At the same time iniisip ko kung masarap pa talaga yung corn dog mga katrip. So let's try it. Mga katrip, kasama po natin si Sister Zaira. Ayan, Sister, please invite our viewers na matry nila yung corn dog niya.
Hi, please try our corn dog here in Madinat Khalifa.
Ito na po ang sausage mozzarella corn dog mga katrip. Look at that. They put some mayonnaise, ketchup, and mustard. Ayan mga katrip. Look at that. I'm excited. Oh wow. Sarap mga katrip. Yung pinaka ano po niya, yung outside crispy, and ano po, yung juicy, yung cheese naman, tingnan nyo naman po mga katrip, ang daming cheese, mozzarella cheese. Ayan. And meron po silang for dipping ranch. Ayan, let's try. Ito yung ayun yung sausage. Nasa dulo po. Masarap ng ranch mga katrip. Wow. We have also a cheese mga katrip for dipping. Wow. Second one mga katrip. Gutom lang. Ang sarap mga katrip. Ganun pa talaga yung ganun pa yung texture ng corn dog. Yung pinaka ano niya, yung I mean yung dough sobrang crispy. At the same time, yung mozzarella talagang nag-melt talaga siya mga katrip. And mixed with ketchup, mayonnaise, and mustard on the top. Ang sarap. Perfect. And yung dipping mga katrip, siguro mas pipiliin ko tong yung ranch kasi ano siya, nagko-complement siya sa dun sa lasa ng corn dog mga katrip. Wow. Oh my God. Sarap. Ayan. So, probably mga katrip, next time, try natin yung mga ibang flavor mga katrip. Ayan. They have Indomie mozzarella and gamja. And gamja mozzarella kafta marinara chicken shawarma. Ooh. Wow. Then they have also appetizer mga katrip. Like chicken triangle, classic french fries, potato wedge, and beets mac and cheese potato. Ayan. And they have also burger pop. Ayan. And some desserts. So mga katrip, yung mga price po nila, affordable. Ayan. 18, 26, 55, appetizers 16, 7, 10. Affordable mga katrip. Ayan. If you want to experience this kind of corn dog mga katrip, just visit here, Madinat Khalifa North mga katrip, corn dog. Ayan. Just try. I would say high recommended. Alright. Grabe. Masarap. Last bite? Pwede. Wow. Grabe mga tip, ang sarap. Hindi ko in-expect na yung pinaka-dog yung sa labas ng corn dog, crispy. Pagkagat nyo, di ba? Kita nyo naman yung mozzarella. Sobrang nag-melt yung mozzarella mga tip. Sarap. And mga tip, we have Pepsi. Mga tip, hindi sponsor po to Baka Pepsi. Baka naman. Perfect. All right, mga trip. We have Mr. Muhammad, the manager of Corn Dog. Ayan, nice to meet you, sir.
Thank you.
All right. So please, sir, invite our viewers to visit your shop to experience your delicious corn dog, please.
Thanks for your invite in our corn dog. Actually, our concept is considered as new here in Qatar or in the Middle East. We try to be one of the specialist corn dog same like in America, in Japan, in Korea. I believe that Arab and other nationalities, especially Filipino nationalities or Asian nationalities, will like the corn dog. We have some special tastes here, new concept, new ideas, new flavors. I hope that everyone will like it. This is the first branch here. We are planning actually to be a branding here, a franchise in the Middle East and in Qatar. I'm inviting everyone, especially Asian nationalities, so they are welcome at any time, bloggers, normal customers, any nationalities, they are welcome to taste our food and our new concept. Thank you.
Alright. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Mga katrip, ayan, we have Chef Fira. Ayan, please, Chef, tell about this corn dog, please.
So we have two flavors here. This is chocolate and this is strawberry. We have two choices of sauce, white chocolate with pistachio and also chocolate with almond.
Wow, thank you. Alright, mga katrip, unexpected. Ayan, binigyan po tayo ng complimentary, mga katrip. Ayan. OMG. Pwede palang ganito pa, mga katrip, na maging dessert ng corn dog. Ayan. So, I can wait to taste, mga katrip. Ayan. So, first, try po natin itong pistachio flavor, mga katrip. Oh my God! Wow! Bakit tignan niyo? Lumabas yung chocolate. Wow! Ang galing. Heaven, mga kapit. Wow. You imagine, mga katrip, meron na po siyang white chocolate and then with chocolate inside with pistachio on the top. My God. Ang sarap, mga katrip. Wow. Wow. Mga trip, para akong lumulutang sa sarap. Ang mga top with chocolate and strawberry inside, mga trip. Ayan, excited na ako. Oh, wow. My God. Ang sarap, mga katrip. Mapapapikit po kayo sa sobrang sarap. Oh my God. Oh, grabe. Ang sarap, mga katrip. Talagang masasabi ko nga high recommend itong corn dog, mga katrip. I would say first class po yung corn dog. Perfect. Ang sarap. Kaya kabayan or any nationality, you must try this. 2 thumbs up. And that's our vlog for tonight, mga katrip. Corn dog, sausage, mozzarella, corn dog, mga katrip, tsaka yung desserts. Oh my God. 2 thumbs up. Napakasarap, mga katrip. Number 1. Yes. And mga sis, thank you. Thank you so much. And please, mga katrip, don't forget to visit here in Madinat Kalipa. Corn dog. You must try the corn dog, alright? And please don't forget to like and share of this video. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Potskie 06 Vlog. And I'll see you in my next vlog, mga katrip. God bless and keep safe. Bye!